What's good at YouTube? Driller Runner with another trading video. And today we're going to talk about patience. Patience plays a huge role in trading forex because you really have to wait to price show you what it wants to do. All right, so I'm going to show you guys AUD USD. This trade, I don't trade AUD USD, but it was a paper trade for me. It was a demo trade for me because since I only trade NAS and US 30, I still mark up currency pairs and I still just get in mentally like a mental trade. As in I mark up and I just, what I'm saying, put me a long position in, short position in my head. I know it's gonna hit this area, what I'm saying, supply area, demand area, liquidity grab. But I'm gonna show you, all right, so right here, this is the monthly time frame, and I had last month low marked up and this is last month high. So price love to take out the last month's lows and last month's highs. So right here, I had the last month low marked up, which is this candle right here that shot down. So what price did was took out lows, but for the month it still closed bullish. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you really have to wait until price tell you what it wants to do. So I knew price had to come through this imbalance, which I'm gonna show you on a smaller time frame. So here we go. Excuse me. All right. All right, so right here, this is last month low. As you can see, price shot down hard. Made sure to take out all the liquidity and to stop out all the buyers before really pushing the price up. And see, that's why it's not good to always trade and just stick to support and resistance, because you can have support and resistance, but price is going to take out all the stop losses, stop hunt, and that's what it did. Stop everybody out just to push massively in this imbalance supply area and last month's high. So what I did, I just waited. I waited on this bullish engulfing candle. I'm sorry, bullish engulfing candle, and price came back down, shot up hard, and then hit a major resistance area. And then now look, what price did. This is major resistance area, so I can see price really stand above. I want price to stay above here, but notice this is the weekly time frame, so of course it has to adjust. So what I seen, like I said, this was last month low. Price took out lows and shot up hard, and then it hit a major resistance area, so it came down for retest. But this bearish candle never closed underneath here, so that's why I will still buy and I will get in for another buy, because if this candle would have closed underneath here, then price would have sold off hard, but it didn't. It just broke up, came down for recess, and it shot up hard. And as you can see, price is easing its way to this supply area, aka last month's high. So we're gonna keep scaling down. We're gonna see what's going on. So as you can see, ever since it took out the lows, it built a support right here. Price has been easing its way up the whole time. You know what I'm saying? Until it hit its major area. And I'm gonna show you on the real charts what I marked up, my paper trade. And I'm gonna show you how it is. And like I taught you guys, W's and M's, W's and M formation. All right, so what I seen was this was the weekly low. As you can see, it double bottom on the weekly low without failing to go lower. As you can see, price shot up hard, and as you can see, it's a W formation. Look at this, guys. W formation. Like I said, that's all I trade. W formation, shot up hard, recess and net line, boom. W formation. It's so easy. All you gotta do is wait till price tell you what it wants to do. All right, so what I seen is I seen that price shot up hard, and I knew the price had to come back, because why? This is where price it scans from support and resistance at multiple times. Like I said, I can go way back and look what happened. Support resistance, support resistance. So I knew price had to come back once after it shoot up hard. Price has to come back. So I got in right here. Well, I stop loss below and look, smack. Barely drawdown entry, smack. And I took it back to these highs right here. As you can see, price is coming back right now, just doing a small little retracement, but I can still see price shoot up hard just because, like I say, we got a major supply area that it needs to go touch. So what price doing right now? I can see a gambler candle formation is forming right now for the week time frame. You just want to pull back all week, or it might close above this area for the week, and then it's gonna smack TP right here. Because why? Imbalance right here, and we got supply right here. But I got in this trade all for, well, I'm sorry, I didn't get in this trade because I don't trade AUD USD. I only trade US 30 and NAS. This was a paper trade for me. So right now, it's just a little smaller pullback for the weekly time frame that I can see continue buying probably next week or maybe the end of the week. So, and then I'm going to show you DSY. Last week I got in NAS 100 just a little bit too early, and because I didn't identify what was really going on. So as you can see, this is a sales below area right here. And as you can see, 1, 2, both of these candles failed to break below this area for the sales, because once price break this low right here, price is going to fall down hard, but price is not ready yet. It had to go grab liquidity, and it had to go grab liquidity from the downside and to the upside. So I got in this trade, well, I got in NAS 100 and I got clout just because price wasn't ready. So I'm going to show you guys what really happened. All right, so this is the daily time frame. Well, I want to show you on the 4-hour time frame because it's more clear. All right, so I'm sorry if you guys not in my Telegram, make sure you DM me. FX to run up to hop in my Telegram, and I'll show you one-on-one zooms, chart breakdown. You know what I'm saying? The trades I take every week. But like I say, this is what price want to do. I know it had liquidity right here, liquidity right here, liquidity right here, but I wasn't patient enough because I didn't identify these liquidity right here. So I'm going to show you in replay mode. So what I told my team, I said that we had a supply demand area right here that had to get filled. So I was looking for the price to go ahead and fill this, like go ahead and fill this and then dump off hard. But it had to go take these lows out here, which is liquidity right here, liquidity right here, and we had liquidity right here. So just by me not being patient enough and waiting on this trade, look what it did. Shot down hard. As you can see, this right here was news. News shot down hard, made sure it took out all these lows, liquidity sweep, shot up hard, and then it double bottom without breaking this low, sales below. So that let me know that price didn't want to go down. So I will get in right here after this. After this showed me that it didn't want to close below this low right here, I will get in my buy, and I'm in the buy right now for DSY. I'm in the buy right now for DSY because I know this is the next stop. And as you can see, it's Monday. It's Monday and prices are already just flying right now. Like, because why? Price is ready to go. It took out all the orders, took out all the liquidity, took out all the lows, and now I want to take out the highs before it turn around and make the massive push down. So once I know it hit this area, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm hopping in my sales. And then we're gonna sell all the way right here, and price should break this low next time. It will break this low next time, just because pricing took so many times. And I know this is the sales below area, but prices had to take out liquidity, take out orders, stop everybody out just to push hard. And as you can see, prices did no turnarounds yet. No turnarounds yet. I'm gonna show you a clearer version on the daily time frame. Look at this major area right here. How price just went from support to resistance both times. As you can see, demand area. This is the main area. Like I said, we got highs to take out, right? As you can see, massive push, daily time frame. One day came down here, respect it hard, and next day came down here, respect it hard again, without closing the body. I needed the body to close on the here for sales, but it didn't. So 2 rejections. Now, as you can see, 2 rejections on the daily time frame, aka the 4-hour time frame, is a double bottom. So I will get in right here, then I would just hold. I hold all the way to my supply zone, and that's what price is doing. I can see price tapping to this area and might want to play around, but price finna fall hard once it hit the supply area. You just have to take out lows, take out highs, and like I said, you just have to be patient and wait on the price to do what it wants to do. And as you can see, I got caught up just by not really paying attention and not having a fresh markup. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all I really got. Just really got to be patient and just wait on the market to tell you what it wants to do. Just like GU, I don't trade GU, but as you can see, price shot up hard without breaking these lows. So if price was to break these lows and not get in for a sale, but as you can see, price shot up hard right here and it's respecting these lows. Shot up hard, came down, respected again, shot up hard, so it came down again. So I can see a double bottom / triple bottom coming. I will get in for a buy right now, unless price just shoot down massively and just close underneath this low. But price can come down to grab liquidity, but still close above. So I get in for my buy. You know, so everything is just a pacing game. Like I said, I know G is going to buy just because DSY is going to fall soon. Just gotta take some orders out. You know, just gotta be patient. Like I said, we got a major area right here, supply and balance. So everything just a pacing game. You have to wait on the market and let the market tell you what it wants to do. So, but yeah, guys, that's all y'all do. Just market chart up and just wait the price hit these major areas and then get in. Once you see rejection or respecting, and as you can see right here, I'm not in NAS 100 right now because I'm really waiting. I might wait on a daily close because I know this is a major resistance area. You might want to take out a couple highs before coming back down. But I can see a small retracement for me to get in buys. But me personally, I catch both moves just because I always have in and out zones. So I would sell to buy to sell. So I'll be catching both moves. So like I said, guys, make sure you guys continue to like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend. Make sure you guys DM me on any type of suggestions on trading videos, what you guys want to see. And if you guys want to tap into my Telegram, where I call Banger Trades, where I drop all my chart markups, where I help you guys pass funded accounts and just do everything personal. It's a private session. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get into some more videos, guys. Peace.